Hello and welcome. I am going to start a series on hot chocolate. I had hot chocolate for the past 2 weeks and I really love it. This is the time for hot chocolate. Before we start, what we are going to prepare today is a Starbucks hot chocolate hack. But to be honest, it is not hot chocolate. It's more like hot cocoa. What is the difference between hot cocoa and hot chocolate? Well, if you say hot chocolate, you must put real chocolate in the drink. But if it's hot cocoa, you only use powdered chocolate. The series will start with a budget hot cocoa using Milo. So this is very easy to find. You can make this at home anytime you want to. For the recipes today, we are going to make a batch that is perfect for kids. Let's face it, kids love plain hot cocoa. The moment you add any flavors, they lose their interest. You may add flavors at the end to suit individual preferences. Here we will make one with instant coffee, making it hot mocha, and the other plain hot cocoa with a touch of vanilla. I prefer my hot chocolate in a mug. That's because I would like to wrap my hand around the mug and warm my hand. So this is perfect for those that are having late nights, especially for going to midnight mass or misa de gallo. Let's look at the ingredients. For the ingredients, of course, we are going to use Milo powder, and then we are going to use fresh milk. Any milk of choice is good for this one. And then we are going to add sugar, and we are going to use water. Because this is a Starbucks copycat recipe, they do use water to dissolve the dry ingredients first. And then we are going to add mocha or coffee into one of the drinks and vanilla for another drink. The process that I will use here is the easy homemade way, using a saucepan and a stovetop. I will be making 2 cups of 360 ml each, or 12-ounce cups. In Starbucks, this size is tall. Bring the water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add the Milo and the sugar. Stir to dissolve. When the Milo and sugar are fully dissolved, add the milk. Stir to combine well. Bring the cocoa mixture to a simmer. What you are aiming for here is to make a hot drink, so make sure it is hot when served. Simmer for about a minute, then turn off the heat. Make sure to taste before you serve to check if the taste is chocolatey enough or sweet enough. This is good for me now, so I'm going ahead with it and pour into my mugs. At this stage, you may add any flavor that you prefer. This time, I'm going to make one which is coffee flavored. I will add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee into one of the mugs for the adults. In the other mug, I will keep it simple and add about a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla flavor for the kids. You may end here and serve your hot cocoa, but I'm going to finish off the drinks with some whipped cream. For the plain vanilla flavored hot cocoa, I will top it up with some confetti. And for the hot mocha, a sprinkle of Milo powder. Moment of truth, let's try our hot cocoa with Nescafe, making this hot mocha. And it's got that familiar Milo taste and that delicious taste of coffee in here. This is perfect, and it is hot. And you can wrap your hand around the mug to keep you warm. And now for the kids version, the one with the confetti and just a hint of vanilla. It is very hot. That is exactly what I'm looking for at the moment. Here is a summary of the pros and cons of this hot cocoa. Easy to find ingredients, affordable, texture is light, but you need more Milo powder to get to that chocolatey level. The whipped cream adds texture, sweetness, and creaminess to this hot cocoa, making them a decadent treat. Kids love my hot cocoa recipe as they turn out tasting like chocolate ice cream that they can drink. For those with shops, you may make them in batches and warm before you serve. Stay tuned for more of this hot chocolate version. Next up, it will be a more premium cocoa powder using unsweetened dark chocolate powder. and then we are going into barista version. So see you again next time. In the meantime, stay safe. Happy holidays. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.